Good morning. We're here at the Hoover Dam, which is located between Nevada and Arizona. And we are walking up to see this awesome Hoover Dam.
Please be true. In other words, in other words, in other words, I love you.
Here's some interesting facts about the Hoover Dam. The Hoover Dam was built during the Great Depression between 1931 and 1936. It was a major employment project and provided thousands of jobs. Size and scale: the dam 726 feet tall and 1,244 feet long. It creates Lake Mead, which is in the largest reservoir in the United States by volume. The dam was one of the largest and most complex engineering projects of its time, requiring about 3.25 million cubic yards of concrete. Now, the name initially called the Boulder Dam, it was renamed the Hoover Dam in honor of President Herbert Hoover, who was instrumental in its construction. The dam generates hydraulic electric power with a capacity of about 2,080 megawatts, providing electricity to Nevada, Arizona, and California. Now, the construction challenges. The dam's construction involves diverting the Colorado River through 4 tunnels, dealing with extreme temperatures, and working with large quantities of concrete that needed to be cooled to prevent cracking. To control the heat from the curing concrete, engineers used over 582 miles of cooling pipes embedded within the concrete. The Hoover Dam not only provided flood control and irrigation, but also played a significant role in the development of the southwestern United States, contributing to its growth and economic prosperity. The Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge spans the Colorado River and connects Arizona with Nevada, serving as part of the Hoover Dam Bypass Project to alleviate traffic congestion on the dam itself. The bridge is named in honor of Pat Tillman, a former NFL player who left his sports career to serve in the United States Army and was killed in combat in Afghanistan. It was dedicated to his memory to recognize his courage and sacrifice. Construction of the bridge began in 2005 and was completed in 2010. It was part of a large project aimed at improving traffic flow and safety in the area of the Hoover Dam.
Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, in other words, in other words, I love
Beautiful Hoover Dam. They said they started constructing this Hoover Dam in 1931 and they fully completed it in 1936. This Hoover Dam is amazing. Manpower back then, kind of fancy electronics.